Bybit, co-founded in 2018 by Ben Zhao, its current CEO, is one of the world's fastest-growing exchanges. Bybit reportedly expanded from 10 million users to over 15 million in less than a year, which is pretty damn impressive. The platform claims to be, quote, the world's third most visited crypto exchange, which is a claim we're not able to verify. In 2023, Bybit opened its HQ in Dubai and strengthened its presence in the EU after securing licensing approval in Cyprus. Although it looks likely to expand into more jurisdictions soon, for the time being, the exchange is not available to users in a number of countries, including the US, the UK, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, and countries sanctioned by the US. I encourage you to view the full list to see whether your country is supported or not. Now, when it comes to solvency, Bybit guarantees customer assets are backed 1-to-1. Like other exchanges bar Coinbase, it uses Merkle Tree proof of reserves to demonstrate this. Unfortunately, doesn't have any third-party audits. In terms of operational security, Bybit ranks in the top 10 exchanges by certified with a AAA rating. And Bybit has a gamut of security procedures, including penetration tests, a bug bounty, ISO 27001 certification, and funds assurance. It uses an industry-leading and multi-signature cold wallet to store 100% of its traders' deposited assets. Meanwhile, when it comes to customer funds, it keeps the majority of these in offline cold storage and uses multi-signature authorizations for fund movements, preventing single-point failures. In other words, its security protocols are top-notch. Now, let's move on to coin support. Bybit has more than 270 assets in the spot market and over 200 contracts in the derivatives market. It supports deposits in 15 fiat currencies, including Euro, USD, and GBP. The exchange offers several ways to buy crypto, including via credit and debit card, express checkout, and P2P trading. P2P trading is the most cost-effective way, as it comes with zero fees. If you want to deposit fiat, the platform is transparent when it comes to the fees that will be charged per transaction. If you want to deposit euros, it will cost either 30 euro cents if you use EasyBank payment or 0.19% if you opt for SEPA. So you'll need to do a little homework depending on your context, but the good news is that deposit fees on Bybit tend to be minimal. In terms of Bybit trading fee structure, the exchange has a tiered trading fee structure depending on your account balance or trading in the last 30 days. Entry-level traders will pay a maker-taker fee ratio of 0.1% for spot trading. These fees reduce as you go up the tier system, as you can see from this chart. Now, Bybit is also recognized for its impressive transaction speeds, clocking in at 135,000 transactions per second, primarily for derivatives trading. While its advanced trading concepts might pose a challenge for novices, it remains an excellent platform for acquiring trading knowledge. In terms of offerings, Bybit extends a variety of trading options from spot to futures. Traders can also avail themselves of diverse order types, such as market, limit, and stop limit orders. If you want to know exactly how to use the exchange and all of its features, then we also have you covered with our comprehensive guides.